What's going on, my Money is Man family? Hey, I'm excited that y'all are joining me in another video today. I hope that these strategies are actually helping you. If you haven't already, make sure you fill out a financial statement. Make sure you hit me up to learn more of how you can either get it, or I can give you 15 minutes of my time. We can go through it real quick. You just need 1 month's worth of bank statements because we're going to start there, and I'll show you how to get that started. All right, so with filling out the financial statement, I want to show you on there is something really big that's taking a lot of your money that you're probably not really paying attention to. So the first thing I like to tell people is if you're working a 9 to 5, take your hourly rate, multiply that by the number of hours that you work, and that is how much you're getting in gross income. All right, that's your total amount of income. Your net income is when they take out your taxes, your insurance, all those fun things, your benefits, basically, right? That is your net income. So these are very important concepts because when we filling out the financial statement, one thing that we pay attention to is the taxes. Because honestly, there's a way you can actually lower the amount of taxes that you pay. And how is that possible? By becoming a digital entrepreneur, right? So when you become a digital entrepreneur, you're basically starting a home-based business. So some of those expenses that you're paying for now, that you're currently still paying for without a home-based business, can actually be a tax write-off. So that way you don't have to pay so much in taxes. So you don't always want a refund because a refund simply means you overpaid in taxes. And when you overpay in taxes, you don't really get any incentives for doing that except a refund once a year annually. Versus if you was able to keep more of your money now and allow it to earn you interest in the process of building assets, then that money will be worth a lot more for you right now than it is in the future. All right. So this is why it's important to make sure you get some form of a home-based business to reduce the amount of taxes that you pay, which will increase your cash flow. So that way you're able to take that extra money and then leverage it in the markets or somewhere into your business. So that way you're able to add more revenue, more income to your personal life and your family's life. All right. So definitely check out when you fill out the financial statement, check out the amount of taxes that you pay and say, what if there's a way I could reduce this, right? Say your taxes are at 30% tax rate. What if you can get that down to 15%, which is when you become a passive investor, you can get your taxes down to about 15%. Now, let me just say this real quick. I am not a CPA. This is all for entertainment, educational purposes. These are just things that I use from my experiences, right? So just think about that. Percentages are big. And if you pay attention to the percentages and use them in your favor, you'll be amazed at how financially free you become and how wealthy you can get started in doing a lot of different things. All right. So go fill out a financial statement. Definitely check out the tax area. And then start checking out your utility payments. What if there's a way you can reduce the amount of utility payments that you pay, right? Or the amount that you pay for each utility, because there's some hidden charges in there. And unless you have an expert to help guide you through those, you'll never know. You're overpaying, right? Now, if you want to find out more of how you can help get your taxes reduced from an expert, not from me, and how to get your utilities bill shredder, like, hey, I want to pay less for the same kind of service, definitely hit me up. All right, there's my email. Email me. There's a link down here where you can get in contact with me on a separate calendar, and we can go over of how we can make this possible for you. That way you can get access to those experts and help you cut down some of your taxes and cut down some of those extra payments you're paying on utilities. Or you never know, right? It never hurts to have that conversation just to see where it goes, because that extra cash flow can be millions for you later, right? Whatever you get started now, that's the best thing about investing, is when you start now it'll be way worth more in the future, historically. All right? I love y'all. Y'all take care. Keep watching. Share this video with somebody, because somebody probably need to hear it. You want to control the circle that you hang around, and when your circle is making money, having fun, being financially free, it'll make your life financially fun and financially free in the process. I love y'all. Share it. I'll see y'all soon. Continue to invest in yourself. Peace.